Hi everyone, we're on step 5 and this is on how you use the essential oils. The oils are great for everyday use. You can experience the many benefits of essential oils by using them to support your overall health. And here are the 3 ways that you typically use them. You can use them aromatically. The oils, when diffused or inhaled, can be very stimulating. They can be calming or they can be soothing. Diffusing the essential oils can also cleanse and purify the air. You can use them topically. The oils can be safely applied for massage or topical therapy, and their chemical structures enables them to pass through skin for an immediate symptomatic response. It takes 30 seconds for the oils to get into your bloodstream, and it takes 30 minutes to get through your entire body. You can also take the oils internally. And there are certain essential oils have a rich culinary history and can be used as dietary supplements for targeted wellness. And please note that please follow the dilution protocol for use on the pets listed with the oils. And to apply, you can just pet your animal with the oils already in your hand. Do not have pets in the room with a diffuser that they cannot leave if the effects of the oil are bothering them. And the question I have for you guys in this video is, which way out of the 3 would you use essential oils the most? Could it be aromatically, topically, or internally? Please let me know in the comments below, and I will see you guys in step 6. Bye.